just arrived with Wahoo Kickr shift. So don't know if it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna try and put it here, right underneath my bike. Hopefully I can still ride it with the bike still there. Anyway, this is my sort of setup. I'm gonna have Swift or one of the other ones on there. What else did I get? The Wahoo Kickr mat. That was expensive. Probably should have done a little bit more research. There's Jet Black and a few other ones that are probably about half the price. So yeah, that was expensive. I have these on my bike as the owners, so I'm not going to use those. Bought myself one of these, just a standard heel classic, the cheapest one I found. Right, time to unbox it. Seriously, don't have enough space here. Anyway, the other side, let's have a look. That's better. There you go. So, what's in here? Lighting's not very good. So we've got that. Then, assuming this is the power cable. Sorry, the light is not very good. Manual. Okay, so all these here. What else do we have? Okay, got some screws. Okay, that's that. Cable, UK plug, US, Australia. And what's this? Okay, I think that's one of the legs. Yep, that's the legs. Let's take this one off, shall we? More legs. Okay, this on the floor. This one, more legs. And this must be the front leg. Alright, let's take this one off. Oh, that's a saddle. Okay, stock standard saddle. I'll probably change this. And that is about it. And there is the bike itself. Handle. Okay. Right. Handlebar. Okay. These 165, 67.5, 170. Good. That's it actually. So I'll probably do this one first. Then I'll try and get it out of the box if I can. Yeah, we'll see. Well, that's not too bad. Like that. Then put that one on. Hopefully that will give it some sort of balance. There you go. There. Finally, once it's done, this out. Ooh, right, finally done. 4 screws in the front, 2 on each of the rear legs. My son decided to put the saddle on. Gonna change the saddle and put this on. Then gonna do that, power it up and have a look. So yeah, should I put a mat here? Probably should, right? It's pretty solid. finally done. Here you go. Saddle setup, about 98. Here's about 40. Just plugged it in. Gonna try and do it on Swift. Let's see if we can connect it up. This is for my wife. I'll put in the Keel Classics a little bit later, just testing it out.